USB tethering not working, only charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down until you find the option of additional settings. Now just scroll down and tap on the developer options over here. Now scroll down and just scroll down until you find the option of tethering the hardware acceleration option over here. So right now it's toggled off, so just tap to toggle on this option over here. Then go to default USB configuration, and here you can see it has been set to no data transfer. Now you just have a tap on USB tethering. Now go back and try to connect the USB and it would work. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.